Mangena mina wena soyahamba.
Yahamba manje. Mihlanu ngaphambi thibumbane ehora lesithupha umsakazo iTT FM umsebenzi wethu thina siyahamba ke manje bese throwback asithi ukubuyisela emuva kancane sekuyahamba ke mina the drive episode uzoyithola ke kusasa kungolwesihlanu kusasa uyazazela ke nawe Richela 2 fashayi number kuphela ngizothi mangiphuma mina izobe sikhona live at 6 ukhona uBrakG ukhona ke futhi noFundani obuye be producer obuye be yinini oyiyo yonke lento esilindeleni namhlanje esilindeleni vele namhlanje
angikho mina before KG yakutshela lindeleni angikho mina
awenzeni
nawo umuntu osaba umsebenzi madoda
mina ngiyanqaka la kahle kwenzakalani la mina kwenzakalani
yes embarrassa wona young man
ethi ngokutshele nje naye inkinga yazi uthe Retailer 2 ngiyayifuna ukuthi kanti lo muntu ufuna ukuthini ngikhana ngizwa manje ukuthi kahle ufuna ukuthi Retailer 2
hayi into ayodwa
sizuthu
into ayodwa namhlanje silandela namhlanje
ya namhlanje baba sibheka indaba yaseBoulders sikhuluma nomntaka Mahlangu who was rather humiliated, that's the right way, izolo for
humiliated
eBoulders Mall because of ugqoka isintu. Yeah, la South Africa sesabelungu to such an extent ukuthi na ugqoka isintu sakini kunendawo la ungakwazi ukungena.
Amabutho bawayekeleni.
Yeah, kusasa nje iSANCO is organizing a march. Siyaya ndoda.
Kuyo le march.
Yeah, siyogqoka into zethu zesishangani, zesipedi, zesuthu, zesixhosa siyaya ndoda. Yeah, so yasikhuluma nomfoka Mahlangu. We are also talking neSANCO as well as with another organization edila ngesintu ukuthi siza ukuthi kanti kwenzakalani la eAfrica ngoba nje asakwazi ukugqoka into yeah asakhuleke kufanele sigqoke lento
mistake eyi1 yenza umanager
namajista
mistake eyi1 yenza umanager seningi asakwazi idrama asakwazi
once bitten
inkinga ndoda this thing must be taken
but also BrakG one other aspect maybe you ought to look at is the orientation of our people as far as issues pertaining to culture and tradition it's concerned
Khasembe show yami 11:6 ngenza wethu izobe ikhona ke lapha kusasa iyona ile drive episode kusukela go6 kusukela go3 o'clock uzoke shake lapha go6 o'clock uyazazela ke nawe ngoba sengiphuma ikhona 11:6 the content voice usuyizwile ke nawe uzobe ungayiqali noFundani uzobe
there's nothing golden about this voice man
uzobefakaza ngendlela ajwayele ukufakaza ngayo ngimzwile efakaza nje izinto ngenkosi